Alright, let's take a look at another Zippo today. Now this one is actually one of the cheaper that I've found, or least expensive. It's not cheap, it's a genuine Zippo. Came in the normal black box, and the label on this one says U.S.A. Heart. U.S.A. Heart. Nothing special about the insert, but there's the Zippo. I think that's a street chrome finish. And these are stickers on the front. It's got that nice big Zippo logo on it. Now this is what we usually call new old stock. And it was made in, looks like L of 14, which is at the end of 14, sometime in December of 14. Great sound, steel insert, lights up nice. And you can also see Bradford, PA, made in USA. Stampings, good stampings, nice and clean. Let's do a drop test on this thing, a lit drop test. Okay, there's the lit drop test. Passed it nice. It bounced about 8 inches. That is the Heart USA Zippo. And of course, Zippos are made in the USA, and they all deserve cowbell. Knuckle bump.